Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financiable. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to reset password on PayPal account. It is impossible to change password from PayPal app. So let's open Chrome browser. Here type paypal.com. It will open your PayPal account. Now you can see login button, tap on it to login. Here enter your mobile number or email address and click on next button. Here enter your password, but as you have already forgot your password, tap on forget password. Here enter your email address and tap on next button. Now it will send a code to your phone number. Click on next button. Here copy your code and paste it, and then click on submit button. Here create your new password and re-enter your new password. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.